Hey there, space explorers. Welcome to our amazing journey through the solar system. Today, we are going to visit all the planets, from the scorching sun to the icy edges of our cosmic neighborhood. Get ready to learn cool facts, see awesome sights, and maybe even meet some alien friends along the way. Buckle up, because this space adventure is about to begin. 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Wow, look at Earth getting smaller as we soar into space. Our journey begins here, at the heart of our solar system, the Sun. But first, let me tell you how our solar system came to be. Let's go back in time, about 4.6 billion years ago. It all started with a giant cloud of gas and dust in space, called a nebula. This cloud began to collapse under its own gravity. As it did, it started to spin faster and flatten out into a disk. In the center of this spinning disk, most of the material clumped together to form the Sun. The rest of the gas and dust in the disk started sticking together in smaller clumps. These clumps collided and merged over millions of years, growing larger and larger until they became the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets that make up our solar system. The rocky planets, like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, formed closer to the Sun where it was too hot for gases to condense. The gas giants, like Jupiter and Saturn, formed further away where it was cooler, allowing them to gather thick atmospheres of gas. Beyond them, the icy giants Uranus and Neptune formed in even colder regions. And that's how our amazing solar system came to be, from a swirling cloud of gas and dust to the beautiful cosmic neighborhood we know today. Look at that bright, fiery ball. We have reached the Sun.
Hi, I'm Sun. I'm the only star in our solar system. My gravity holds the solar system together. I'm the most important source of energy for life on Earth. I'm over 4.5 billion years old and I'm mostly of hydrogen and helium.
Now, let's visit the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury.
Hi, I'm Mercury. I'm the smallest planet and closest to the Sun. I'm super speedy, zipping around the Sun in just 88 Earth days.
Next stop,
Venus. Hi, I'm Venus. I'm the hottest planet in the solar system. My thick atmosphere traps heat, making a scorching 464 degrees Celsius on the surface.
And here we are back at our home planet, Earth.
Hi, I'm Earth. You call me home. I'm also the only planet with liquid. I have this awesome atmosphere that protects you and keeps you breathing.
Next, we head to the red planet, Mars.
Hi, I'm Mars, the red planet. My rusty color comes from iron oxide or rust on my surface. I have the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. I'm home to a giant canyon called Valles Marineris.
Hold on tight. We are entering the asteroid belt, a region filled with rocky objects. Most of these asteroids are leftovers from the formation of our solar system. They're too small to be planets, but they have their own stories to tell. They range in size from tiny pebbles to about 940 kilometers in diameter, like Ceres, the largest asteroid. Unlike planets, they do not have atmospheres. Some asteroids have orbits that bring them close to Earth, known as near-Earth objects, which are monitored for potential collision risks. Now, let's visit the largest planet, Jupiter.
Hi, I'm Jupiter, the biggest planet in the solar system. I have a huge storm called the Great Red Spot that's been raging for centuries. I'm the first planet to form in our solar system.
Look at those rings. This is Saturn.
I'm Saturn, the second largest planet with beautiful rings. My rings are made up of ice and rock particles. I'm so light that I could float in water if you could find a bathtub big enough. I'm home to an impressive multitude of moons, with Titan reigning the grandest among them.
Next is Uranus, the ice giant.
Hi, I'm Uranus. I rotate on a tilt so I look like I'm sideways. I have extreme seasons that last over 42 years each. I'm also a beautiful blue-green color because of methane in my atmosphere.
Finally, we reached Neptune.
Hi, I'm Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. I'm known for my deep blue color and incredibly strong winds, the fastest in the solar system. I also have a big storm called the Great Dark Spot. I take 165 years to revolve around the Sun.
Beyond Neptune, we enter the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy bodies and dwarf planets. The most famous dwarf planet here is Pluto. Pluto has a heart-shaped glacier and 5 known moons. Another dwarf planet, Eris, is similar in size to Pluto and also orbits in this distant region. Now, let's talk about comets. Comets are icy bodies that come from the outer parts of our solar system. When they get close to the Sun, they heat up and release gas and dust, forming a glowing coma and a beautiful tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. Some famous comets you might know are Halley's Comet and Comet Nieves. Now, let's review what we've learned. First, we have the Sun. It's incredibly hot, with temperatures reaching up to 15 million degrees Celsius at its core. Followed by Mercury, during the day, it can get as hot as 430 degrees Celsius, while at night, it drops to minus 180 degrees Celsius. Mercury has no atmosphere to keep it warm. Venus is similar in size to Earth, but it's covered in thick clouds of sulfuric acid. These clouds trap heat, making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. Earth, its atmosphere protects us from harmful space radiation and helps regulate our climate. Mars, scientists are studying Mars to see if it could have once supported life and if humans could live there in the future. Jupiter is a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Saturn, another gas giant known for its stunning rings made of ice and rock. Uranus, the ice giant. Uranus is unique because it rotates on its side. Neptune, its largest moon, Triton, has geysers that shoot icy material into space. What an incredible journey we've had! From the scorching heat of the Sun to the icy depths of the Kuiper Belt and the glowing comets, our solar system is full of wonders. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and dreaming about the mysteries of the universe.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.